Hi everyone, welcome to TYG Trading. Disclaimer: this is not advice neither invitation to make an investment. Everything is done here for the purpose of education only. Trading is an activity that involves with risk of losing funds in your trading account fully or partially. Always do your own research before making any financial decision. There are many trading strategies available, from the simplest one up to the most complex one. Having involvement in trading for 2 decades, I have tried many of them. As a beginner, these strategies will be useful to train our skill to spot good opportunities. That's why I will try to discuss more about trading strategies one by one. Remember, knowing these strategies won't make us rich. It is just like having a gun. Having the gun won't guarantee us becomes unbeatable. We need to know how to use, maintain, and understand also when to use it. We start from support and resistance. Support and resistance are very important for traders. It is the root for all methodologies. The rise of indicators in the past also based on support and resistance. Let's now we start to touch support and resistance. Support and resistance can be easily identified by the presence of top and bottom during price movement. For price action trader, they will look for high and low. But is every high and low can be qualified as a support and resistance? Absolutely not. This is the problem. So, how do we select the proper support and resistance? The answer have to be done by select our time frames. As we become more familiar with price movement, the need to define our time frame will be less important. But for a beginner, time frame selection is critical. Since our time system is 24 hours a day, the good SNR or support and resistance will be around daily chart. When the instrument becomes volatile in certain market, for example London sessions, we need to break down daily chart into lower time frame, for example in 4-hour chart or hourly chart. So based on this paradigm, looking for support and resistance on hourly or daily chart become priority. We call it as primary support and resistance. Primary support and resistance is usually a strong price level to be broken. Some will say it is a strong support and resistance. Please note, we have to identify first which price level can be qualified as primary support and resistance. Right now, let's try to find primary support and resistance on our chart. We have XAU daily chart. From the chart, we can identify easily the primary support and resistance by looking at the price reversal as indicated by the yellow arrow. Let's see on chart GBP USD daily chart. We also can see the price reversal. There are invisible price level which make price usually struggling to pass by. This is what I call it as primary support and resistance. We also can see obviously there are many small price level on the chart. Don't be confused for now. They are also support and resistance, but they are belong to another time frames. They are usually important, but they have different purpose after primary support and resistance have been identified. Usually primary support and resistance will be driven by market fundamental. That's why we have to be careful to consider our action when price reaching the area of primary support and resistance. This is all for now. I will explain more the next time. TYG out. If you enjoy my contents, feel free to subscribe and a like will be very much appreciated as well. You may also leave questions in the comment section. I will try my best to answer honestly.